Today I'd like to go over one of the most common questions that I get is what are all the ports on the back of my computer. So we'll go over them real quick. Up here we have the power port, which you plug a standard 3-prong power cord into. And then down here are most of your connections. Really the two that you need to worry about. Up here you have your audio, which is usually always green, and then your mic, which is usually always pink. You have your Ethernet, which most commonly gives you your internet connection. You have multiple USB ports. In this case they have a FireWire port, which is an Apple version of USB. You have VGA and DVI, which are two different forms of video. Another one that you can commonly see on computers now is Hdmi. Then you have a digital audio, which is usually for stereo receivers. And then you have Ps2 ports. The green one is usually the mouse, and the purple one is usually the keyboard.